Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Nurul Fitri Alia, and I'm going to present our recent research about landslide hazard spatial distribution for disaster mitigation in Tutur Sub-district. And I'm going to introduce our team, me, myself, Nurul Fitri Alia, and the first author with Ibu Titi, and also Bu Vita, Ibu Mega, Pak Eko, and Pak Antelas. All of us are from Department of Civil and Engineering in Universitas Negeri Malang. So, in this presentation, I will explain about these four subtopics, which is we will start with background, and then we will continue with methodology, results, and we will end it with conclusion of this research. So, for the background, as we know that Tutur district is located on the slope of Mount Bromo with more than 1,000 meters above sea levels, with sloping topography and fertile loose soil. So as we can see in the picture, in the figure below, landslide on December 5th, 2023 in Kalipuchang Village and January 4th, 2024, which affected with closed road access and residence yard by Emil Akbar 2023. So uh, we are aware that the availability of the landslide hazard map in Tutur district is crucial for disaster mitigation. So, what are we going to do with creating the landslide hazard map is that we will use Geographic Information System with weighted overlay method. What is weighted overlay method? Based on Hadim et al. 2023, uh, weighted overlay method is a method that integrates multiple layers of spatial data, each assigned a specific weight based on its importance to determine the suitability of locations for various purposes. As we know that our purpose is to create the landslide hazard map. And then our data, we use several datas from government and from open source website, which are digital elevation model to create the slope map, also the geological map, soil types map, land use maps, as well as the precipitation data from CHIRPS or satellite data. And also with those data, we created several variables such as slope gradient, rainfall, geology or rocks, soil types, and land use data. We use these variables based on Puslitanak 2004, which already weighted each several variables are already weighted like for example slope gradient weighted 30%, rainfall 20%, geology 20%, soil type 10%, and last one land use 20%. So we created each variable maps. As we can see the land use data right here we can see the land use map as well as the geological map as well as the soil type maps and also the slope map of Tutur district. And we use the precipitation data from the station. We use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stations that are distributed within or around the two tourist district that could extract the precipitation data. With this data, with these variables, we are going to weight each variables based on our source, Puslitanak 2004, which is First one, we have annual precipitation, land use, rock types, slope, and soil types. And all of them are weighted based on several class. In this study, we use 5 class of each variables, and we will create 5 class as well for the class landslide hazard class. With this score, we are processing our all of weighted variables. We overlay it, and then we are getting our result, which is spatial distribution of landslide hazard level in Kecamatan or Tutur district. And as we can see in the table, we have three main hazard classes, which is moderate, high, and very high. And then each village, as we can see in the right table, we have each of villages in the Tutur district that we obtain the area of each village, and also we do validation um, by identifying the um, one of the popular places in Tutur district, which is Pura Satya Dharma Tirta Nugraha, which is as we do field validation, is classified as high level of landslide hazard. So, based on our result, it is accurate that our result is validated and matched by the field validation, as we can see in the figure below. That is, the Pura Satya Dharma Tirta Nugraha is classified as a very high level of landslide hazard as well. Okay, that is for our presentation, for our research, and I hope that our research could give information, give insight for the government, for the community as well, to prevent, to mitigate our future hazard, landslide hazard. So that is, thank you from me, Nurul Fitri Alja. Thank you for your time, and see you. Thank you.